Biltong. South African dried meat. A side dish from South Africa.
Serves 2.
You will need 16 ingredients. Step 1. Wash the meat. Step 2. Cut the meat at an angle against the grain into about 1-inch strips. Step 3. Sprinkle vinegar over the meat. Step 4. Place the coriander in a bag and lightly crush the whole coriander so that the effect of the coriander will be greater. Step 5. Make the biltong mix by combining the coarse salt, brown sugar, coriander, black pepper. Step 6. Dip the meat into the biltong mix until all the mix is used up. Step 7. Place the meat in a tray for a few hours, or overnight, in the fridge. Step 8. After a few hours, dump any blood that has seeped out of the meat. Step 9. Dip the biltong quickly into a water/vinegar mixture to remove surface salt. Step 10. Hang the biltong by making a very small incision through the slice of meat with a knife about 1 inch from the end of the meat. Step 11. Cut the string into about 10-inch strips which are placed through the meat and tied to form a loop. Step 12. Hang the biltong in a place not too far from an electrical outlet by taking the loop of string and place it on the hook or nail or hanger or whatever device you have created to suspend the meat. Step 13. To dry the meat, turn on the regular light bulb, and the fan and leave for about 4 to 7 days depending on humidity, temperature and taste. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.